Exclusive tech, digging out exclusive content. Yes, sir.
What up? This is your boy Exclusive Tech. I'm back again with another one, guys. I'm gonna be like broad in this like topic of love, and now today I'm gonna be talking about like falling out of love. Falling out of love, and how do you know that you are falling out of love? It's very simple, guys. When you fall out of love, of course, you don't worry about them as much as you used to do. You don't worry about the next person, like that person who used to be like your significant other. You don't worry much about them now. There is more like peace. There's more like life makes sense without them now. There is no longer that edge, that presses or pushes you to be constantly in communication with them, for you to see them frequently, for you to feel that pain when you are not closer to them no more. That's falling out of love, guys. Again, when you are falling out of love, you're no longer proud to be with them. They no longer bring the essence, the essence or the value of you being proud about them. That means you detach yourself from them, so to say. So it's not a good space to be in. Then the third point, you are constantly comparing them to others. You're constantly comparing them to others now. Remember, there is this person now whom you are dating, but you're no longer feeling them like that. Then there's this other person whom you would want to be with, or whom you have always wanted to be with, but under certain circumstances you couldn't be together. Now you are gonna compare them. You compare them constantly. Okay, this person does this, that does that, but if I was with this person, I believe things would have been different, or something like that. So the fourth point, guys, then physical intimacy is a thing of the past now. Remember, these are the people you no longer want to be part of their life. You no longer want to be with them, they're in a solid relationship. So now there is no way in which you can stimulate, or you can foster the intimacy. You don't feel them no more. You don't feel them anymore. Again, number 5, you don't plan dates. There are no more dates now. You used to go out to the park, to that one franchise, to go eat out, ice cream dates, nice things and cool stuff, But now you no longer do that no more. You don't you no longer do that, that thing. It becomes the things of the past now. The thing of the past, So it's in the past. Number 6. Your relationship is not up leveling, man. You guys are not leveling up. You guys are no longer meeting each other at each other's ends. You are no longer each other's pillar of strength. You're no longer there to pick them up whenever they're down, whenever they need your assistance. You're no longer you don't care no more. And that's something you don't want to find yourself in, man. So falling out of relationship or out of love is so painful. That's the space I don't want to wish to anyone, because I myself, I have never been in that situation. Oh, maybe I have been in that situation, but it was never intense like that. So number 7, the last one, you stay with someone for their own well-being. Oh, now you're staying in a relationship out of sympathy. You are staying in this relationship out of empathy. You are feeling pain for this next person. You are in the relationship just because you want them to be well, because you know that without you they can't cope. And that is not a good space, or that is not a good sense of being in love. It's you're doing someone a favor, And remember, if you're doing them a favor, you can't love them thoroughly or fully or totally to that extent. So guys, this was just a short preview of it too. This was just a short preview of falling out of love, So yeah, guys, it's never easy. And I hope you guys, wherever you are, fix things with your partners, man. Love them dearly, love them solely, and love them truthfully, and love them as you ought to love them. Live in love, yo. If there are minor issues, fix them, man. Be adult and fix them. You can't lose a person because of small things, So why not fix things? This was just me sharing out my insight. I'm out. Thank you for watching this. Cheers.